Hello and welcome to my channel Sam Biology Class. Friends, today we will discuss about species concept. Before that, I request all of my friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also watch, like and share my videos with your friends. Species is the basic unit of classification. It is a taxonomic rank as well as a unit of biodiversity. As all of you know, each species is assigned a unique two parts name called binomial name. Example is boa constrictor. It is the name of a species that belongs to the genus Boa. This name is a binomial name consisting of two parts or two words. First part, boa, is the name of the genus, and second part, constrictor, represents the specific epithet or the specific name. These two parts together constitute the binomial name. Friends, species is a concept, and concepts are created by human minds. As humans think differently, for different scientists, species has different meaning. This gives rise to different types of species concept. Today, we will discuss about 5 types of species concept, such as the morphological species concept, biological species concept, phylogenetic species concept, evolutionary species concept, and finally ecological species concept. First one is morphological species concept. According to this, a species is a group of organisms exhibiting a high degree of similarity in their physical traits such as shape, size, color, and other observable characteristics. This approach is widely used to classify organisms, and most of the species have been recognized using this concept. Second one is biological species concept. A biological species is a group of interbreeding populations that are reproductively isolated from other such groups. This concept was introduced by Ernest Mayr in 1942. Biological species concept thus involves interbreeding between populations of the same species and reproductive isolation between populations of different species. Example, eastern meadowlark and western meadowlark are considered as separate species despite their similar appearance. This is because they do not interbreed even when their ranges overlap, so they are considered as biological species. Third one is phylogenetic species concept. According to this concept, a species is a group of organisms that share a unique evolutionary history and are identified by at least one diagnostic, genetic or morphological trait inherited from a unique common ancestor. Unlike biological species, this concept is applicable to all organisms, including those that reproduce asexually as well as those that are fossilized. Fourth one is evolutionary species concept. According to this, a species is a single line of ancestor-descendant populations. Each species maintains its identity and has its own evolutionary tendency and historical fate. According to this concept, species evolve separately from other lineages. This concept was introduced by George Gaylord Simpson in 1961. Like phylogenetic species, evolutionary species concept is also applicable to both sexually and asexually reproducing organisms, including those that are fossilized. Fourth one is ecological species concept, which defines species based on its shared ecological niche. According to this concept, a species is a group of organisms that are adapted to exploiting a particular set of resources and environmental conditions. Example: based on this concept, grizzly bears that met on land and polar bears that met in water are considered as separate species due to their distinct ecological niche, even though they are related and sometimes they are able to interbreed. Like biological species, this concept is less applicable to asexually reproducing organisms and those that have complex life cycle with different niches at various stages. This is also not applicable to organisms that are fossilized because it is difficult to assess their specific ecological niche. Friends, this is all about different types of species concept. For more updates, subscribe my YouTube channel, Sam Biology Plus.